Hello, and welcome to our video on the 1930 Brazilian Revolution, a pivotal moment in Brazilian history. In this video, we'll explore the causes, events, and consequences of this revolution, which had a profound impact on Brazilian politics and society. To understand the 1930 Brazilian Revolution, we need to look back at the country's history. Brazil had been a monarchy until 1889, when a military coup led to the establishment of the First Brazilian Republic. However, the republic was marked by political instability, corruption, and economic crises. By the 1920s, discontent with the ruling elite was growing, and various groups were advocating for change. Causes of the revolution. The main causes of the 1930 Brazilian Revolution were political and economic. The ruling oligarchy, made up of coffee barons and other elites, had held power for decades, and there was little room for political opposition. At the same time, the global economic crisis of the 1920s had hit Brazil hard, leading to widespread poverty, unemployment, and social unrest. The revolution began on October 3, 1930, when a group of military officers led by Getulio Vargas, a charismatic politician from Rio Grande do Sul, marched on the capital, Rio de Janeiro. The government of President Washington Luiz was overthrown, and Vargas became the new leader of Brazil. The revolution was marked by a series of battles, including the Battle of Itaúra, in which government forces were defeated by Vargas's troops. Consequences of the revolution. The 1930 Brazilian Revolution had far-reaching consequences for Brazilian society and politics. Vargas established a new authoritarian regime, known as the Estado Novo, which lasted until 1945. The new government implemented a series of reforms, including labor laws, social welfare programs, and investment in infrastructure. However, the regime was also marked by repression, censorship, and political persecution. In conclusion, the 1930 Brazilian Revolution was a watershed moment in Brazilian history, marking the end of the First Republic and the beginning of a new era of authoritarian rule. While the revolution brought some positive changes to Brazilian society, it also had negative consequences, including the suppression of political opposition and the violation of human rights. Today, the legacy of the 1930 revolution continues to shape Brazilian politics and society, and its impact can still be felt nearly a century later.